area throw a salute. Another welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see him. Arsenal for Leicester City 2. Oga Daniel, now how you see Arsenal performance for this match? Because you don't talk, say you're not very ogbonge Arsenal fan.
Arsenal are a very incredible club now. Instead they just demolish Leicester. Jesus wey they buy and one of the good bring up for the club this season because you can't make the Arsenal players get more spirit. You know the level now. You know, Arsenal before they lack that cutting edge. Especially for striking. The first goal where Jesus scored was good. It was very, very classy. So I just did very impressed of what Arsenal is doing this season. And I believe Arsenal this season just they go shock people for this.
Arsenal go shock them.
I'm telling you.
So, but make I ask you about Mikel Arteta now. We dey see the signings when him bring come. Gabriel Jesus come from Man City. Zinchenko come from Man City too. Fabio Vieira come from FC Porto. And these signings when, and also Marquinhos will come from Brazil, the young talent. These signings when Mikel Arteta they sign now. How you go rate the work when Mikel Arteta do? Because it can't be like say these players they don't come, they don't ginger all the players when the clubs get normally. How you go rate this work when Mikel Arteta they do? If you want rate them from 1 to 10.
Actually, I know feel too much with Mikel Arteta and Edu when they just when he tried to bring all those players from the club. His strength, he tried very well. So I just merge them together because you just like person when they make the pass for the person when they score the goal. So now assisting the assist Arteta for that level. So I feel you rate them 7/10 because we see they expect that to before this month end runs out, they expect them to buy 1 or 2 players, which is to finalize some certain areas of the team. Like for me now, they talk about Tillemans. I'm not too bad with that Tillemans because when they don't overpraise somebody, you know, go feel when they come, you go want to overdo. So I don't even want Tillemans for that club. Basically, the thing Arsenal supposed to go for, it can be the fit go for like person like Ndidi. It's even more better than Tillemans because he go up and settle down for that. If Zaka get fault, you go up there and settle down. So I don't just go for that Tillemans. But anyway, I still expect them to do 1 or 2 signings for the season runs out.
So who'll be your man of the match?
Wow, that one's difficult for me to predict. But let me just give it to Jesus because for him scoring that 2 goals and the 2 goals was then make
the 2 assists.
Now made the 2 assists. Yes, too. He made it so now he be the man of the match. Obviously, this night they give the man of the match for this match so far. And I still expect Jesus to score more goals and do more assists for this club. So I believe saying they try to prove something to the former club when he leaves, so Man City.
So, but what do you expect from Arsenal by the end of this season? How high you think Arsenal will finish for the Premier League table?
I get feelings say Arsenal go there either first or second.
First or second?
I'm telling you, that is my. Arsenal won't shock people, but people don't understand. So, Arteta, they do something, but people never understand. But like me, I don't see the season as I see like this now. Like as talk now, if you look behind me now, Man U they conceive. They collect already. So like, Man U know they settled. Chelsea go draw.
What of Liverpool and Man City? You think Arsenal will fit chance them come out?
Arsenal go chance Liverpool. So the thing go drag between Arsenal and Man City. As I talk, so we just observe now before the season run out. And maybe now still coming.
All of us go see him.
You go see and I tell you, but the thing will be between Man City and Arsenal this season.
All right, now, Oga Daniel, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine. It's over.